how to easily lose 90% of your investment like this. Let us explore in this video. Hi guys, my name is Karan and you are watching me on your channel. So guys, in this video we will talk about how so easily people lose 90% or more of their investment in stock market. I will also share with you my personal experience how I have lost 90% or even more in a particular stock, and I will also tell you that it is so easy. If you want to try, do try to lose 90% of your wealth. Okay, so let us explore how you will lose 90% or even 100% of your wealth, because I have done both. I have lost 90% also and I have lost 100% also. So this video will be very exciting. So because I'll be sharing with you real life examples. So guys, if you are truly passionate to lose your money, so what you have to do, you need to first listen to your friends, because your friends are those successful people. They know everything about life, so they will give you good advice about different stocks. So listen to them and invest your hard earned money basis their recommendations. Okay, so you will lose a lot of money. So you should trust all your colleagues with whom you're working. Trust all the financial advisors. You open the news channel, you will see a lot of financial advisors giving their recommendations. You follow them blindly, so you will lose a lot of your money. Okay, you read some article in the newspaper or a magazine and you blindly buy some stocks. Guaranteed you will lose money, right? So these are some of the ways how people uh, thinking that they will make money, but they end up losing. So now the decision is yours. If you want to make money, you have to do certain things in a certain way. If you want to lose money, I have just said what you need to do. Listen to your friends, your colleagues, your people giving random tips. Listen to those SMS which we get giving tips, or you join some Telegram channel, they give us random tips, or you watch a news channel, they will give you tips to buy some stocks, sell this stock, etc., etc. That's how wonderfully you will lose a lot of money. It'll give you a lot of satisfaction if losing money if is your passion, right? So if it is not your passion to lose money, just hear me. If you want to protect your wealth, if you want to actually make money out of stock market, then you have to follow some very basic fundamentals. Very basic fundamentals are: stick to a good company which has a fundamentals. We will talk about fundamentals in a while. Invest for long term, because stock market is the place which works in cycles, right? Because there could be macroeconomic factors, wars, pandemics, or any government policies, elections, or maybe issues in US economy, because our stocks follow US economy. They follow the pattern in US stocks. So stock market always runs in cycle. So if we are entering stocks, we should invest in good stocks, good companies. Second, we should invest for long term, 3 to 5 years. Okay, so now let's talk about the fundamentals. If you actually want to make money, if you are serious, guys, please, there should be no shortcuts. Please don't follow blind tips coming on Telegram, WhatsApp channels, coming from your friends, relatives, financial analysts in the news channel. I am not against them, but they are not bothered about your financial freedom. The only person who is bothered about your financial freedom is only you. I genuinely want that you become financially free. Okay? Don't trust me, trust yourself. Trust yourself. So, what you need to do, guys, you have to invest some time to understand the fundamentals of a organization, of a company you are about to invest. There are a lot of good applications available. You can go and check the past performance of a company. For example, how much money they are making on a quarter on quarter basis, year on year basis. Uh, how much uh, how much debt do they have? How much uh, creditors do they have, debtors do they have. So these things will tell you how you will be able to judge if you plan to invest in a company. Okay, so we have discussed about their profits, their revenues, their sales, their management. Okay, how much investment have the promoters made? Do the promoters have any stock or not? Right? So are they declaring any dividends? Okay, uh, what is the earning earning ratio of the stock? Okay, then what is the debt to equity ratio, what is the profit ratio, what is the profit to earning ratio? These things you have to know about a company. So whenever you open a good application, let's say a moneycontrol.com, they will give you good fundamentals about the company. You should know what fundamentals look for: earning per share, PE ratio, their revenue, their profits, any major announcements they have made. So, accordingly, take a judgmental call if that stock is of your interest. Otherwise, welcome to the club of 90% losers like me. Okay, so now I will tell you which stock ruined my portfolio. Stock name is GTL Infrastructure. Again, I bought that stock because I was greedy. A friend told me buy this stock. It was around 6 rupees in 2017. GTL Infra was around six rupees. I bought a lot of stock. Okay, thinking that it will touch 30 rupees. Till date, it is hovering around 1 rupee. I have lost 90% of my money. Welcome to the club. Next stock, I bought DHFL. I myself have a DHFL loan, so I bought this stock. Guess what? The company went bankrupt. The owners were jailed, and this company was taken over by Piramal Capital. But this guy Piramal did not. They just wiped out the entire stock holdings. So all the stockholders got zero. I had a lot of stock of this company DHFL, so all my wealth got wiped off. So again, as I said, we should know the fundamentals of the company. The promoters were fraud of DHFL. That's why they went bankrupt. So guys, if you really and truly want to lose your money, invest in very bad companies, bullshit companies, those who have no fundamentals. You have to follow all the fundamentals which are taught by a lot of our gurus: Warren Buffett, Philip, Graham. So these guys, they have written books. So guys, you have to read, understand the fundamentals. If you cannot read, okay, at least have a good application and see which all parameters are important to select a stock for yourself. Okay, so I genuinely do not want you to join my 90% loser club. I genuinely want you to make money in stocks. But yeah, understand the fundamentals and then invest wisely. All the best, guys.